Testing timers involves children making a sand timer. It's a fun problem-solving activity. You will need some sand timers for the children to explore and identify how they work. Then all you need are the resources for the children to make their own sand timers: paper cups, sand, and sharp pencils to make holes in the bottom of the paper cups. It may be useful to have some sticky tack as well. The timers will work best if the hole is made from the inside of the cup. A blob of sticky tack can be placed underneath the cup while you use the pencil to make the hole safely. Young children may need support with this step. If children make holes in the cup that are too large, you could use sticky tape to reduce their size. To avoid too much mess, you may want to have the children working over a tray or use a covering for an area so any spilt sand can easily be collected and cleared away. After the children have looked at the sand timers and established that the sand falls through a small hole, demonstrate how to make a sand timer using the cups. To make a sand timer, you might want to use 3 cups. 1 cup is got the sand in it. Take one of the empty cups and use a sharp pencil to make a hole in the base. Then put your finger over the hole and fill it with sand, and your finger keeps the sand in the cup. And then hold the cup in the sand over a second cup. Take your finger off the hole to release the sand, and you have made your sand timer. Ask the children to make their own sand timers and let them explore how the amount of sand and the size of the hole changes how long their timer runs for. Can they make a timer that runs for exactly 1 minute? To do this, they could use a stopwatch. If they've not used one before, you'll need to show them how to start, stop, and reset the stopwatch so that they can time 1 minute. If you don't have stopwatches available, you could use a timer on a tablet or on your interactive whiteboard. Once the children have completed their sand timers, you could finish the activity by putting a 1-minute countdown on the interactive whiteboard and ask the children to start their sand timers at the same time as the countdown begins to see whose sand timer is closest to a minute. Ask the children what they changed about their sand timers to get them as close as possible to 1 minute. They may be able to explain that the amount of sand and the size of the hole in their sand timers are the 2 things they could adjust to change how long their timer runs for. To record their investigation, the children may like to draw pictures or take photographs of the activity, or make a short video explaining how their sand timer works.